Big news for Apple fans! After years of swirling rumors, Apple may finally be ready to unfold its first ever foldable iPhone, and it's bringing back a familiar feature in a new way. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. According to well-known Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the much-anticipated foldable iPhone is expected in September 2026, but won't include Face ID. Instead, it's likely to feature Touch ID embedded in the power button and not under the display like many of its Android rivals. Under-display fingerprint sensors were always an Android thing, and Apple's set on a different path, one it's already tested in its iPad lineup. The iPad Air 4 was the first to add Touch ID into the side button, and it looks like the foldable iPhone will follow the suit. Kuo, who has accurately predicted Apple moves for years, is doubling down on this design for a reason, because the array of cameras and sensors required for Face ID would simply make the folding phone too bulky, which is a no-go for Apple's sleek design standards. With a rumored 7.8-inch main screen, this folding device is shaping up to be more of an iPad mini than an iPhone, at least in terms of a screen. It's clear that Apple is looking to blur the line between phone and tablet, and using existing iPad tech, like side Touch IDs helping in keeping the cost and thickness in check. While we wait for the iPhone Fold to come, the iPhone 17 is just around the corner, set to be revealed next week. But the real showstopper may still be a year away. If Apple nails the execution, the foldables van redefine iPhones all over again. Are you ready for the new iPhones to drop? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.